Okay, so let's have a look at the 7th adjustment from McGuigan 2022 exam paper for manufacturing account. So it says during 2021 the store was built by the firm's own employees. So we're using our own employees. The cost of their labour was 60,000 before the wage increase. So we need to find out how much that wage increase is first. And then because they're our own employees, we need to take this 60,000 away because they're working for us anyway. We don't want to pay them twice. So we're going to reduce our direct wages by 60,000 plus the wage increase. And then we're going to increase our buildings by 60,000 plus the wage increase because that's the increase in the value of our buildings. The materials cost 62,000 were taken from the firm's stock. So remember, if we take it from our stock, it's not closing stock. We need to adjust as purchases. Okay, because we can't sell this stock back on to get the money back from our purchases. So we need to reduce our purchase of raw materials by 62,000. And that means we also need to increase our buildings by 62,000 as well, because that's the value of our buildings that they've increased by. So our wages are going to decrease. So we need to find out how much to decrease our wages by. So it tells in the question that 60,000 is the cost of labour. So we know that the wage increase is 2% from the previous working, and we know this for 3/12. So 60,000 multiply that by 2%, multiply that by 3 divided by 12. So the increase is going to be 300. So the wages for the employees, we need to reduce it by 60,300. And then increase our buildings by 60,300. So we have a working already, the previous one. So the amount that we have is 148,700. And then we need to reduce that then by the 60,300. So that's going to be the figure that's going to go into your manufacturing account for wages or direct factory wages. And then we also need to increase our buildings by this 60,300. The next thing, purchases. We need to reduce our purchases by 62,000. So go find our purchases. So we have an adjustment already. So remember, it's the new figure we need to adjust. So 771,400. And we're taking away the 62,000 because we can't sell those purchases on. So our new figure then is going to go into our manufacturing account is the 709,400, and then that 62,000 is going to increase the value of our buildings. So we need to increase buildings by 62,000, and that then is going to be a new figure that goes into your balance sheet as a tangible asset. Just remember that on the previous adjustment for the increase in wages, remember that 740 is an expense because that's the wages due. So going to your balance sheet as a current liability. I don't think it's said on the previous adjustment. So just that 740, which is an increase, goes into your balance sheet as a creditors due within 1 year. So with the extension then, your wages are going to decrease, your purchases are going to decrease, and your buildings are going to increase by the two previous figures, by the figures for wages and by the figure for purchases. Just be careful with the wages to see if there has been an increase in the wages. If there is, you need to include that increase before you reduce your direct wages and add it onto your buildings. So that is your 7th adjustment from McGuigan 2022 manufacturing account.